We understand how significant color is. That is why Asian Paints has been the preferred choice and has painted innumerable dream homes. Our customers' enthusiasm and passion drives us to strive for perfection and give them exactly what they want, a dream come true. And so our endeavor is never just to sell the color, but to give them an experience to select the right colors with no difficulty. We continually improve our processes to help keep up with the changing needs and preferences of our customers.
We at Asian Paints don't think ourselves as a paint company. Instead, we think, can we make the consumer's place a much more inspiring one? We at Asian Paints believe that Asian Paints is part of a homemaking experience, and essentially Asian Paints is integral to giving color a good identity in a customer's home. Essentially, we look at providing the consumer a help with color and decor. Today, the visualization of color and decor is very important to us, and through all of you, we have tried to see how we can reach out to the consumers to make this entire process far more easier. So whether you look at the various services we have provided, be it samplers or be it a foresight or be it the finishes which we have given to you through the wall bay unit or the color selection unit through the color guide which have been installed in your shops, I think they go a long way in terms of providing you a tool in terms of putting this across to the consumers in a very, very easy and helpful manner. As you are all aware that along with these services and researches, we also have a very strong product profile which basically helps adding a strong platform to build on additional services for future. The Royale group of products is at the forefront in terms of providing the best decor to the consumer to build on it as a unique experience for his home.
Relax, your Royale walls now come with Teflon surface protector because what's beautiful should stay beautiful.
The Royale brand has come really a long way from the point of time when it was initially launched. We first introduced the concept of perfect finish, which made it one of the best products in the category of interior paints at that point of time. We then supplemented the entire thing in terms of bringing a storm in the fashion area by introducing the Royal Clay finishes which were unique and stood the test of its own time. We continued our innovation and looked at bringing a lot of sparkle to our consumers' life by introducing a revolutionary concept like Royale Glitter, and also introduced something like a Royale Shine, which was more like a shine variant, as you all know. Today, we have really broken the benchmark in terms of introducing a landmark product last year, where we have introduced Royale with Teflon, which is basically a unique technology which really gives it an edge over any other product which exists in the market and makes it one of the best products which exist in the industry today, both nationally and internationally.
When we got the flat a few months back, we had a lot of things planned in our mind. The structure of the house was just perfect. But what we got was just the walls, the ceiling and the floor. The entire interiors needed to be done. But we did have a lot of things planned in our mind for our rooms.
You know, our home has to look a really pleasant place. It is not just the wall color or the decor or the furniture. It is just the entire feel of the house had to be that when you unlock the door and you step in, you just feel glad to be home. I guess the biggest arguments we ever had was choosing the final colors. Because the ones we would select, sometimes they were not matching with the furniture, and sometimes they were a little dark, so the rooms were looking smaller. So we asked every possible person, our parents, our brothers, sisters, everybody, but we were in a big fix as to what colors to finalize.
हाँ एक मिनट मधु वो कह रहा है चीकी येलो इमेजिन करो कैसा लगेगा सोचो
नहीं हो रहा है
ट्राई करो ना प्लीज अच्छा पहले एक मैंगो इमेजिन करो
मैंगो
हो गया अब उसमें हाँ ये वाला रंग ऐड कर दो ना प्लीज अब वो वाला रंग सनसेट के रंग में मिला के इस पूरे कमरे को इमेजिन करो सिंपल
कैसे होगा
आप रंग कैसे सोचते हो यार
As consumers become more conscious and discerning about their color choices, we constantly endeavor to come up with effective ways to give them their desired result. We understand that the biggest confusion is to visualize their home in color. That's one reason why Asian Paints has always come up with a variety of color guides that have been very popular with both dealers and consumers. Our books, Interior Color Guides and Color Shastra, have been immensely useful to our customers in the past. But having observed their typical usage, we noticed that certain elements of their design needed a revamp, like the organization of colors, the kind of home spaces depicted, and the shade combinations that appeal to different kinds of consumers. Today, we realize that we need to give them a lot more to explore and experiment with. This new Royal Book of Color is inspired by our insights about people's color consciousness and how it has evolved over time.
This well-designed Royal Book of Colors is a complete guide for a consumer to get the perfect decor for his home. To make the usage of the book simple for all of you, there are clear 5 mantras which you need to remember. The first being that the navigation for the customer is made easy and is based on the concept of color families. So principally what we find is that the consumers go through any color selection process by looking at a color family, and therefore the entire book is organized based on color families to that extent. The second key point is that we have shown very real looking homes in this entire book. This serves the purpose that the homes become very relatable to the consumer and is able to make his color decision far more easily. The third point which really differentiates this book in a big way is the sheer variety of number of houses which we have shown. It basically becomes a very important point that each of these houses relate to a different consumer segment, and therefore we are able to reach across to a large variety of consumers who are able to showcase and see their own houses in a way literally. The fourth important point is that we have been able to showcase what is latest today, which is Royal Play textures and patterns, which is very important, and they have been integrated with other royal finishes so that we are able to show the house in its full glory. We have also integrated wall fashion so that we get some of those walls integrated in the real homes which the consumers are able to see when they glance through the book. The last and the final mantra is something which has emerged from a learnings from what we have done with the previous guides. We have tried to showcase fairly large tabs of colors along with the images so that the entire color selection process for the consumer becomes far more easier and something which he is able to navigate very easily. We are sure that this book will go a long way in terms of helping the consumer select decor for his house in a very easy way, and also it will help all of you in terms of promoting Asian Paints color in a far more easy and enjoyable manner.
At the Asian Paint store, we found the Royal Book of Colors. It's so easy to understand and so descriptive. It made our choice of colors so easy. And also the shades.
And the colors and the decor tips that they have in this book really helped us to bring a lot of new things in our house. And thankfully, this house looks exactly the way we wanted it to be.
This book contains an array of examples with room decor for all kinds of customers. The ones with a conventional color liking, who like to keep it simple. The ones with an open mindset for new colors, traditional yet modern. And the ones with a flair for bold color usage, who dare to experiment. We guide the customers during their color selection. The book consists of large close-up images of rooms, chosen and done up to appeal to different kinds of people. Besides, there are styling tips to enhance each type of decor. Homemakers will easily relate to the decor ideas presented and be able to work out what suits their spaces best with the kind of tips included. We have made an effort to pay equal attention to all the spaces in the house. There are ideas and tips with supporting images for all the rooms like bedroom, living room, kids' room, etc. It is very easy to navigate through the enhanced color swatches. One can mix and match colors to visualize a whole new look for his home. There is an extensive set of color families to choose from. Blues and purples, pinks and peaches, oranges and reds, yellows and greens, creams and browns. The reason why this book is a step ahead is because of its advanced color navigation system. With Royale Play and Wall Fashion, we give our customers an opportunity to not only explore colors but play with their textures too. This book clears many doubts and lets the customer explore several possibilities to create a perfect home decor. This book is a must for all Asian Paints customers to paint their dream homes their way. Enhanced color navigation system. Presentation of real homes. Variety of homes showcase. Explore with Royale Play and Wall Fashion. Larger color tabs. The Royale Book of Colors is the complete guide to home decor.
The Royale Book of Colors is simply amazing. It's so simple but yet so elaborate. It made choosing colors and shades so simple and easy.
And I'm so glad Asian Paints came out with this book. It was in the true sense our color Bible.
As a last word, I must say that a lot of effort and research has gone in terms of creating this book. We sincerely hope that this book really helps all our people on the ground in terms of selecting and selling colors in a very, very enjoyable manner. So go ahead and really start selling colors in a big way. All the best.
Royale Book of Colors.